everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cassie. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a beat when I upload. So in today's video, as you guys can see, there is some meat or some chicken. We'll be cooking POUL. In English, that is chicken fowl. So I'll be showing you exactly how you cook it. So as you can see at the corner of the screen, I am pouring some hot water over our chicken hen. I already cleaned my chicken and I already put the vinegar. You guys already know. If you haven't, watch how I clean my meat. I will link a video down below so you guys can see how I clean my meat. So when pouring hot water into whatever meat you are cooking, this actually really helps downtime, the amount of time that the chicken is supposed to be cooking. So if you don't know, now you know, and you could add this into whenever you are cooking whatever meat you are. As you see me doing here, I'm just basically moving the meat around in the bowl, making sure each of the meat is getting to some kind of type of that hot water, because you don't want your meat undercooked or some parts like pre-cooked and some parts not pre-cooked, because then it would even take longer. So I made the hot water sit inside there for I think about good 25 minutes or so, and then right here I'm just draining it all out so we could get ready to coat our meat. Once drained, now I'll be adding Epsi. Next, as you see, I'll be adding some seasoned salt, and this is the kind of seasoned salt that I use. Next, to give it a little spice, I'm going in with Cayenne. Next, I'm using my total seasoning. You guys know this is my favorite seasoning. I do not use complete seasoning. Now I'll be also adding garlic salt. Last but not least, I'll be using Adobo. Once you have all of your dry ingredients or even wet ingredients all into what you want to add into your meat, you go ahead and just start mixing. Make sure you mix this in very well. So in a pot, whatever pot you are comfortable using or that you usually cook your meat in, you go ahead and add a spoonful of butter and just go ahead and mix it around so it is completely melted. Next, whatever oil you're comfortable using, I am using my olive oil. As you guys know, I love using olive oil. And go ahead and add some of that with your butter. At this moment on high heat, go ahead and start adding all your meat. Once I finish adding all the meat into the pot, I go ahead and put in the rest of the seasoning that I had seasoned the meat in. That bowl that you see, I just go ahead and use the remaining seasoning to add it into the pot as well. Still on high heat, go ahead and just start mixing your meat in. It's going to basically stay on high heat for a while because you have to basically cook this meat until it is like a golden brown, but you'll see as we get further into the video. After I cook the meat for just 10 minutes, go ahead and you can add in your tomato paste at this moment. I believe you could just go ahead and use a spoonful. and just go ahead and start mixing that in as well. At this moment, go ahead and add in any, hot sauce that you would like to add in your chicken. As you can see here, our chicken is starting to have that nice golden color. It's okay for the bottom of it to get burned, so don't panic. So as you can see, our meat is kind of like brown, golden, whatever color. I just gave it a little bit of a whisk right here. I say whisk, a little bit of a, just spoon action. At this moment, go ahead and turn your stove on to medium high, or medium low I should say, and we're just gonna go ahead and cover it and let it simmer cook for a good 20 minutes. So while your chicken is cooking, you could go ahead at this time and start cutting up your vegetables like red, green, bell peppers, onions, or whatever vegetable you want to add to it. It's up to you really. So I'll just go ahead and use that time. Also, I just start cleaning the dishes and cleaning my kitchen so I won't have too much to do. These are the vegetables that I use, and this is how much I cut up, if you guys were just wondering. It's okay to use a timer. As you see, I use my timer. Once you uncover your pot, this is how your meat should be looking, and you should have some liquid in there. If not, then oops, I don't know what to tell you, but this is how it should be looking. So what we're gonna do is take out that liquid out of the pot so we could just go ahead and fry the chicken even more. As you see under the bottom, just like I said, it's okay if it's burnt under the bottom a little bit, but this is how it looks after I take out the liquid out. So just like I said, we're just basically going to just be frying the meat. When I say frying the meat, this is how it should look, as you can see right here. From time to time, move the chicken around in the pot so it's not over too burnt or browning. But just as you see, as I'm doing here, just constantly keep moving it. After I tasted my meat and I seen how tender and soft it was, you could go ahead and add in the liquid. I went ahead and added some water with my liquid because my liquid was a little bit too low, and go ahead and add in the vegetable with the liquid into the pot. As you see right here, I went ahead and added Scotch bonnet pepper with the cloves. As you see here, I have my stove back onto a high heat, and I'm just going to just basically let that cook and simmer on down. Sorry for my background noise. They cutting the grass or whatever. But once you cover the top, and I covered it for probably a good 20 to 25 minutes, this is how much liquid you should be already having into your pot. So without the top on, I let it cook for additional 10 minutes, I would say 10 to 20 minutes. I really don't know, but once your meat is looking like this how you know it is finito. thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you are notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video.